And guys, we had started that didn't work. It doesn't matter any cause. The solenoid didn't work. Because when you get the signal wire from the ignition to here, the solenoid will jump out, go forward, engage to the ring gear, and then turn via this cable here. So what we did, we just remove it, smash it a few times, few tap here. It's not gonna break like that. And as you see, is the signal fire from the ignition. Don't forget the earth coming from the engine, just a body. Just put the earth here, which is a positive. It's a little bit difficult to get this one right. Yeah, we see now. That's a signal wire from the ignition. We jump forward. When you jump forward, and then power come to this point, and then turn it. There we go. So we save a few quid, but just tap in the solenoid. Job done. Now we can put it back on the car. See you later guys, bye bye.